Alright y'all, so today we're going to be going live bait fishing and we're going to be setting this minnow trap. I already had it sitting out in the creek, but we're going to be baiting it, trying to get some minnows to go live bait fishing with up at the pond. Now as you can see, there's a good bit of minnows in there swimming around. So we're going to go ahead and bait the trap here. Alright y'all, we're going to go ahead and throw this into the creek. Got some bread in it. We're just going to throw it right there. And actually I'm going to give that a little bit of a better throw. We're going to throw this into the creek. That should be good. So I'll see y'all whenever we come back and check it. Alright y'all, it's the next day and it rained a little bit last night. There went a frog. But it rained a little bit last night and the creek's filled up again. We're gonna go ahead and pull the trap up here and see what we got. Dang, we got some big ones this time. Maybe we'll catch some big fish with these things. We got some variety. We got some big ones, we got some small ones. Let's go ahead and dump them in the bucket here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this back in the creek and I'll see y'all here in a minute. Alright y'all, so here's the minnow haul that we got. We got a few and one big one, which may catch us a really big bass. And I'm gonna head up now to the pond and do some live bait fishing. So I'll see y'all up at the pond. Alright y'all, we're up at the pond. We're gonna do some fishing with live bait. See if we can catch some stuff.
He's hardly hit.
Oh, I got one. Yep. Alright y'all, we just doubled up.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit if he swallowed it. You're lucky he didn't swallow it.
They look like the same fish.
Are they both largemouths?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get a release on this one. Yeah. Alright y'all, got another one right here. He's fighting pretty good.
He's stuck in the ground. Is that the one that you just caught?
No, the one I just caught was a little bit smaller.
Oh yeah, that's a small one. We're fishing pretty good today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are you making a video?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright y'all, we got another fish right here.
Large.
We're going to get a release on him.
I saw your line like you getting tight and stuff. I'm like, oh crap, I'm catching. Wanna do a 1v1?
Fish on. Yeah.
Your minnow dead?
Yeah, it was, but I still got one.
That thing is small, but it fights like a whale though, right?
Alright y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get a release on him. There he goes. I got one.
That one's big.
That's a pretty nice one. All right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get a release on him. That's like number 4 of the day. All right, y'all. That'll do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe because we're gonna be uploading a lot more videos. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all on the next one.